If you've been on the internet in 2025, you'll know AI side hustles are everywhere. Every TikTok and Instagram influencer seems to be making tens of thousands a month just from starting their own AI business. AI art, AI clips, AI models, it's all over your feed, and it looks like the easiest money ever. But with all the hype, it's hard to know what actually works. Most people copy what they see and end up stuck with something that doesn't scale or make consistent income. So today, let's break this down properly. We're going to cover 3 of the hottest AI side hustles, explain how they work, and show you why AI models are the best way to make money with AI in 2025. But first, we'll look at the other 2, AI art and AI short-form content. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss it. The first side hustle is AI art, also known as AI print on demand. You'll use AI to create designs, apply them to products like posters, t-shirts, mugs, and sell them through sites like Etsy, Redbubble, or Printify. No stock, no shipping. Platforms handle that for you. For this example, we'll use ChatGPT to create a movie poster design. Let's say we want to make a poster inspired by Breaking Bad. You can't tell ChatGPT to use copyrighted names. It won't work. Instead, you describe what you want, then add the title later in Canva or Photoshop.
Please create a portrait-sized mid-century modern movie poster. The poster has no text, minimal layout, flat colors, bold shapes, vintage texture, features a bald man with a hat, glasses, and goatee. Next to him, a younger man with short hair and stern face. A small RV in the desert. Muted earthy tones.
ChatGPT will generate the image. You add the show's name later, and that's your finished product. You'd upload this to Etsy. Etsy charges $0.20 per listing and about 10% in fees. The poster might cost $5 to $10 to fulfill, sold at $25 to $30, giving a solid margin with no upfront costs. The second AI side hustle is AI short-form content creation. You've seen this all over TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It's where creators use AI tools to mass-produce short videos and turn views into real income. You can monetize through YouTube Shorts ad revenue, affiliate links, or by selling digital products. AI helps at every stage, brainstorming viral topics, writing scripts, generating AI voiceovers, creating subtitles, and speeding up editing. Start by choosing a niche people are already interested in. Business, finance, fitness, or dating advice. Then look for long-form content you can clip. Joe Rogan, David Goggins, Andrew Huberman are perfect sources. You'll cut engaging moments into short, snappy clips. For editing, use CapCut. It has AI tools for smart subtitles, syncing, and adding effects to make your clips more engaging. The most important thing is your hook. The first 2-3 seconds must grab attention. Aim for clips that are at least 8-10 seconds long to maximize watch time and retention. To get results, you'll need to post consistently. I'd recommend creating 5-10 clips per niche and uploading daily. Don't expect your first post to go viral. It's about volume and improving with each video. You'll be running faceless accounts with good branding. Even something as simple as gym gods or fitness freaks can work for a fitness niche. Once you've built some traction, monetize with simple digital products. For example, you could sell a fitness ebook like 10 Ways to Get Fit in 6 months for $10, $20. You can also include Amazon affiliate links for workout gear. The big advantage of this side hustle is scalability. AI makes the process faster. You don't need to be on camera, and with the right content, you can reach massive audiences. But it's competitive. Your content needs to stand out. While this is one of the strongest AI side hustles today, the next one we'll cover is where the biggest opportunity is right now. The final AI side hustle, and the one I recommend the most in 2025, is AI models. AI models, or AI girls, are completely virtual influencers. You design their look and personality using AI tools. They post content, grow followers, and monetize through platforms like FanView. The reason this works is scale. Once you create your AI model, you can produce unlimited content, without real photo shoots, without being on camera. AI generates images, helps with captions, and keeps your feed active. To get started, you'll decide how your AI creator looks, generate image batches, and train a LoRa file to ensure consistency across every post. You build out a recognizable identity that feels like a real influencer. Monetization happens through subscriptions, digital content sales, and even ebooks or merch. The more fans you build, the more income potential you have. What makes this side hustle stand out is that it's still untapped. Most people don't know how to do this yet, but the demand is already massive. It's a low-cost, high-reward business model that scales far better than AI art or short-form clips. At Imagine Education, we teach the full process step by step, from building your AI model to keeping content consistent, growing your audience, and monetizing with FanView. Hundreds of our students are already earning between $1,000 and $20,000 per month using this exact method. If you're serious about building a profitable AI model in 2025, click the link in our bio to get full access to Imagine Education. That wraps up today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, And check out the other AI side hustle guides on the channel. See you in the next one.